Good evening. My name is Wilner Now. Tonight, I want to speak directly to the boldest builders of our time, the innovators, the industrialists, the visionaries who have already changed the world. Men like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Larry Ellison, Warren Buffett, and others who have proven that when imagination meet capital, humanity move forward. I am presenting a concept that may sound ambitious today, but so did railroad, airplanes, and the internet when they were first imagined. The idea is simple: to build the first space industrial park, a permanent orbital platform the size of a major stadium designed to host factories, laboratories, housing for workers, hotel for tourists, restaurants, theater, and park, all floating in orbit around our planet. Phase 1 would host about 200 people. 5 years later, we would expand it to two connected stations, creating the first industrial city in space. This project is estimated to cost approximately $900 billion. But great leap in human history have never been cheap. The pyramid were very expensive, almost impossible. The railroads, imagine this one, were expensive. The Apollo program was expensive. But they changed civilization forever. This space industrial park would open a new frontier for manufacturing, research, tourism, and energy production beyond Earth. It would create the foundation for an entire space economy. Tonight, I am sharing this concept not as a science fiction, but as an invitation to the builders of our era to help humanity take the next step. Because the question is no longer if we will build in space. The question is who will build in space first.